everything. It's 8 a.m. I've been up since like 6, editing, scrolling, and I just don't feel like getting up. But I think today I'm gonna do like a Sunday reset because my room is a hot mess. So I'm gonna clean my room, clean my bathroom, probably harvest that callaloo, harvest some greens for a salad. I know those tomatoes are ready, so some green onion. I just wish I had some shrimp to go with it. And I don't feel like going to the store, so I don't know. But I also kind of want like some oatmeal. I've been feeling like oatmeal lately. And of course matcha. So I'm like, maybe I'll have some oatmeal and then like a matcha. Look how sad and gloomy it looks outside. Y'all, it's 9:53 and I'm still in this bed. But I just got finished posting like 10 TikToks, editing, voiceovers, posting. So now I'm about to get up and make me some oatmeal, I think. Yeah, I want some oatmeal. Probably chill out a little bit, do a little bit more editing, and then clean up. I'm not in a rush to clean up. I really am not. I really don't feel like doing it, but it needs to be done. So I'm gonna like slowly work my way into it. I don't wanna like get up now and do it. Like I wanna have my slow morning still, you know, do some self-care, mouth care, face care, eating care. Anyways, good morning, neighbors. To be loved, to be loved. Oh, what a wonderful feeling to be loved. To be loved. I think I'm getting tired of this scarf. It's time to switch it up. So much for my retwist lasting. I mean, it don't look bad, but it's just not, it's not giving anymore. I've been trying to protect it with the scarf, but look at the little baby ones I just started. I got 2 new lock journeys, y'all. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I got 2 new lock journeys starting. Oh, they look like antenna. Oh, that's cute. Anyways, I'm kind of cold, so I think I'm gonna put on my muumuu and put another scarf on, make me some oatmeal, and yeah. I love this scarf so much. It has affirmations on it. I got this from Creed and Cloth, and it is so freaking cute. Real silk. I am deserving of the best, yes, that life has to offer, and I attract it effortlessly. Shout out to Creed and Cloth. I love it.
believe they're accusing P. Diddy of murder? P. Diddy's been sued a bunch of times before, but by his best friend make that former friend Kirk Burroughs?
From an employee standpoint, he was also abusive to me in other ways. Sexually deviant ways.
Oh, so he was doing the bending.
I did not want to do it. I didn't want to be around him and take care of him as he's essaying me.
It's 12 o'clock and I'm finna take a nap. Okay. I'll clean up later. I just got these from my balcony. I'm going to put them in my vase in my room. Free flowers. If it's free, it's for me. Look how pretty. Y'all, my room is a hot mess. Like, girl. What? Why? I'm gonna replace these flowers with these. I'm about to chew one of these because I really don't have the energy for this or focus. Look at my freaking bathroom. Like, what? What? Sticker from Jenny's, my favorite ice cream place. I got this Happy Mind, Happy Life from when I was in Texas. I got this Smackin' from Smackin' Sunflower Seeds. And then I got this Not a Morning Person from Sip Herbals. Give a FK is from Fresh Kitchen. This is from Topicals. And then the rest of the stickers I got from like sticker books or something. But yeah, it's coming out so cute. I love it. At first, I only wanted to do like brown. And I was like, that's boring. So now I just put whatever I want to put on there. You should have seen my freaking bathroom. This bathroom is a mess.
Is it your bathroom or his bathroom?
Mine.
You just was talking junk about you, not him. It's him too. I need to wipe him down. All that junk, now you want. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's a lot. Like what? No, that's not what.
Diabolical.
Thank you, diabolical. Yeah, right there. Before you try to jump up. Earlier. I didn't work for you. Yeah, right.
10:34. I'm finally done cleaning up. Now I'm gonna figure out my to-do list for tomorrow. It's a new day, it's a new dawn, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. I gotta go pick up my daughter from my sister's house. She spent the night. So I'm finna go do that now because I'm getting kind of tired, I might say. Getting kind of tired, I might say. So I need to print out the stuff from my scrapbook so I can scrapbook November. It is already about to be the 8th. Like, yo, I can't believe it's already, everything is just happening so fast. I can't keep up. So what are y'all plans for tomorrow? Tomorrow is Monday, okay? Monday, we gonna do some lower body. We gotta go to the gym. Lower body and abs. Can't skip them abs, okay? All right. I need to tend to my garden. I'm finna harvest the callaloo and make a salad. That's gonna be good. What else? I would like to actually get up early and do yoga tomorrow. Like, I really would love to do that before I take the kids to school. Meditate, yoga. Cause I be up, I just don't get out of the bed. But I just want to get back into my meditation and yoga ritual. What else? I ain't studied my Spanish in a few days. That ain't right. That ain't right. I really need to start designing prom gowns. I have a bunch of fabric in my closet, and it's that time. It's that season. Edit content, of course. Scrapbook. I'm gonna try to do everything on this list. I don't care if I study Spanish for 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to do everything on this list. And then I posted 2 videos today on YouTube. I'm doing good on YouTube, okay? Tomorrow is vlogmas. I'm gonna post episode 5. Episode 5. 10 to 15 TikToks, because I have a bunch of packages that I need to get from the mailroom. And also I just got this vision board book, which I already have a vision board that I made in like 2024, I think, and it's still accurate. Everything on there I still want to do and need to do and will do. But this is a vision board book, and it has a bunch of different pictures and stuff. I'm gonna just use it for scrapbooking. Or I don't know, I'm supposed to be having like a moo-moos and margarita party. So maybe we can do like vision boards, but no, like I said, mine's already done. So I don't know, we'll see. But I thought that was pretty cool. I got it off TikTok. So of course I gotta make a video on that. But what else? I need to get some groceries. Seriously, I don't have nothing in there. We've been ordering out like every day. Don't tell nobody. What else? I need to pay my phone bill. Okay. I really still haven't done like my self-care, so I think I'm gonna do my self-care night. Like, I really need to do that. Like my foot mask, face mask, like just really just love on me, because it's all about me. All right, I think that's pretty much it. Post on my business pages. I feel like I'm missing something, but oh well. Anyways, let me go get my daughter, and that's probably gonna be it for today. I'm done. 7:40. I'm gonna go get her, come home, take a shower, and get into bed. So thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of the good things. And as always, guess what? I'm wishing you nothing but peace, joy, happiness, abundance, wealth, health, prosperity, love, freedom, financial freedom, beauty, all of the good things, okay? Because you deserve it. Why else? All right, let me go. Good night.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.